Alright guys, so I'm going to return with a new set video. What I have here is a 2269W set. This was a Baltimore and Ohio AB set from 1956. It consists of the obviously the Baltimore and Ohio A and B unit. Then it has a horse operating car, the double truck transformer car 6518, a 6315 chemical tank car, a 3361 operating log dump car, and it ends with a 6517 bay window caboose. It's one of the premier sets. It's definitely one of the harder ones to get, and even with mine, I've had the A unit for a while, never had the B unit. I found a B unit shell here. This is an Elliott Wentz repaint. It's marked as such on the inside. Great job on the reproduction of the unit. The main difference from the original and this one is this B unit has the portholes, which in 1956 the one that came with it would not have had any portholes. They would have just been the filled in plastic. The unit itself came with the two vertical motors, so it's a dual motored F3. There's the horse car, the transformer car, the tanker, the log dump, and the caboose. In the, I'm going to switch some tracks here. I have the post-war celebration Texas special set with the passenger cars on the back track. Alright. I'm going to follow up with a little shipping issue I had and end the video with that. Here I have a set of 2353s, double A's. I bought these because I wanted a C8 set of the 2353s. The ones I currently have were a little less than that, so I bought this set. And in the process of it being shipped to me, shipping was not kind. When it arrived, as you can see from the picture, They sent it with the screw attached, and somehow it became under stress, and the shell was smashed in the front. All the pieces were there, obviously still in the box, and the top of the shell also was cracked. So what I ended up doing was, well, I contacted the vendor who sent me a replacement shell, so I was made whole there. I always stand behind my vendor always stands behind his shipping stuff. Never been an issue there, but it left me with this shell, and was trying to figure out what do I want to do with it. So I spent a couple of days, and as you can see, glued all the pieces back together. Started the leveling out process, and then I primed it, masked it off, and found the right color red paint, put the new decal on, and went ahead and put her back in service. So I'm going to have an extra shell when my replacement one arrives. I'll go ahead and swap out the shells, but I have a extra for the future. That's all I'm going to do today. Thank you for your time, and hope you all have a good day.